Hello. A common question we get asked at Gastite is whether or not you can bury our pipework. The answer to that is yes, you can. It allows for internal and external direct burial. This means there is no need for additional sleeving or secondary containment. Gastite also meets BS standards EN 15266. However, for this, the installer will require to sleeve the entire pipe buried length. Burial depths can be found on our website by clicking on Support Resources, or alternatively, you can use our Gastite app. Just search Gastite on any iOS or Android device. Whilst we've optimised the burial potential of our product, it is essential for the installer to check the entire buried length of the pipework before covering. If there is any damage found, it can be repaired using Gastite self-amalgamating tape. This should prevent any future corrosion issues. The mechanical nature of the Gastite fittings means you cannot bury our fittings along with the pipework. They must remain serviceable. As such, Gastite fittings must be installed in a ventilated and accessible location. Now, based on the information provided, please answer true or false to the following 4 statements.